Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Solution. I want to teach you the Python as the faster way as possible and more practical way. Now before we get started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification by clicking on the bell icon. For the last few videos in the Pythons, basically I covered the regular expression. In the regular expression, what I will cover till now, Python regular expression module, regular expression function, meta characters and special sequence. Today I am going to cover the final one in the regular expression, that is sets. The regular expression is very important when we are going to use the data science, machine learning, AI for cleaning the data. Okay, let's start with the Python regular expression sets. Python regular expression sets. Okay, let's go with the example. Basically, what is sets? A set is a set of characters inside a pair of square bracket with a special meaning. Okay, a set of characters inside a pair of brackets with a special meaning. Okay, let's go with the example one by one. Okay, let's start with the first example, ARN. Okay, what is ARN means? Basically it returns a match where one of the specified character A, R or N are present. Returns a match where one of the specified characters A, R or N are present. Okay, you can put it anything, just like a AXY, YZQ, like that. Okay, it's just for example only. Okay, let's import first RE. Okay, and one text, the same example, the rain in Spain. Okay, rain in Spain, right? Now x equal to RE dot find all. Okay, and then pass ARN and text. Print x. If x will find, then print yes, there is at least one match, else print no match. Okay, what will happen here? It will check if the strings has any A, R or N characters are present in the string or not. Then what will happen? What it will print? It will print E is not there, right? R, A, N, and then N. Okay, then A, then N. Okay, let's run and see. Okay, R, A, N, N, A, and N. Okay, this is clear now. Let's see, we are going to change with capital T, capital S. Then what it will print? It will print T and S only, because N in the caps. Let's run and see. Okay, T and S, and it will print yes, there at least one match, because the condition is true here, right? Now we will start with another example. Okay, the second one is basically A to N. What it will print? It will print as it returns a match for any lowercase character alphabetically between A and N. Okay, let's remove first this one. Second one I am going to show in the sets A to N. Okay, what it will print? It will print returns a match for any lowercase characters alphabetically between A to N. Okay, let's go with the example. First we'll create the text same the rain in Spain. Okay, then x equal to re dot find all the double quotes A to N, and you are going to put text. Okay, print x. If x, then print yes, there is at least one match. Okay, else print no match. Okay, what it will print here? It will print from A to N, A, B, C, D till N. Whatever the character that come between A to N, it will print. Just like a H is coming, right? H is coming, E is coming. Okay, A is coming, I is coming, N is coming, I is coming. Then N again is coming, A is coming, I is coming, N is coming, right? Then it will print all the character between A to N. Let's run and see. Right? H is between also A and N, E, A, I, N, I, N. Okay? That is clear now, and it will print yes there at least one. If you want to change just like a instead of A to N, if you are going to change A to Z, and that will be the caps only, right? Then it will print T and S only, right? Because only two letters are in the caps. Let's run and see. Right? T and S. Okay, and it will print yes, there at least one match. This is clear now. Now we'll go with third one. Cap ahead A R N. Okay, what it will means? It will basically returns a match for any character except A, R and N. What it will print? Returns a match for any character except A, R and N. Okay, let's remove first this one. I'm going to print x equal to re dot find all with the double quotes, the head A, R, N, and passing the text. Okay, and print x. Okay, and if x, print yes, there is at least one match. Okay, else print no match. Okay, then what it will print? It will print except A, R and N. Then it will print T also, it will print H also, it will print E also, and it will print space also, it will print R also. It will not print A. Then it will print A, I. Okay, then it will not print N, then space on, then I. Okay, except E, R and N, it will print everything. It will print everything. Okay, let's run and see. Right, T, H, E, but it will not print A, right? Space I, space I, space S, P, I. Okay, if you want to print only except just like A, I, N, right? If you want just like except T and S, then you use T and S. Then it will not print T and S, and it print H, E, space R, A, I. Let's run and see. Right, it will not print T and S, right? The is there, right? And the space S is not there, right? This is clear now. Now we'll go with the fourth one. O 0 1 2 3. Okay, fourth one 0 1 2 3. What it will mean? It will basically returns a match where any of the sprite digit just like a 0 1 2 or 3 are present. Okay, returns a match where any specified digits 0, 1, 2 or 3 presents. Okay, let's remove this one first and then create the text equal to the rain in Spain. Okay, x equal to re dot find all with 0, 1, 2, 3 and passing the text. Okay, and print x. If x, then print yes, there is at least one match. Just one match. Else print no match. Okay. Okay, what will print here? What is saying? Check if the string has any 0, 1, 2, 3 digits present into the text or not. Any 1, 2, 3 is there? No, right? Then if you are going to run, what will print? In the print x, it will print empty string, and then for print no match. Okay, let's run and see. Okay, empty string, at least, and no match, right? If you are going to add 1, 2, 3 and 4, then it will print 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's run and see. Right, 1, 2, 3, and yes, there is at least one match. You can add 4, 5, 6, what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you can add 9, 1, 9, 6, 2. Okay, then it will print 1, 9 will be not print because now there are 6 and 2. Let's run and see. Right, 1, 6 and 2. Okay, if I am going to add 7, 8, 9, then it will print 1, 2, 6, 9 all. Let's run and see. Okay, 1, 9, 6, 2 all. And yes, there at least one match. Okay, this is clear now. Now we'll go with the fifth one, 0 to 9, 0 hyphen 9. What it will mean? It will basically returns a match for any digit between 0 to 9. Returns a match where any digits between 0 to 9. Okay, let's remove this one. Text also 8 times before 11:50 AM. Okay, if x equal to re dot find all between 0 to 9. This is very important. And text print x. If x, and print yes, there is at least one match. Okay, else print no match. Okay, what will happen here? It is 8 times before 11 to 45. Okay, then what it will print? It will print 8, 1, 1, 4 and 5, right? Because 0 to 9 will take care any digits between 0 to 9. Okay, let's run and see. Right, 8, this one 8 times, 1, 1, 4 and 5. If I are going to 8 times, 8, just example, 1, 9, 1, 8, 9, 8. Okay, they will print 8, 8, 1, 1, 4, 5, 1, 8, 9, 8. Let's run and see it. Okay, 8, 8, 1, 1, 4, 5, 1, 8, 9. If we are going to remove this one, all the digits, then it will print empty string and no match. Let's run and see. Right, empty string and no match. Right, this is clear now. Now we'll go with 6th one. 0 to 5, 0 to 9, 0 to 5 and 0 to 9. Okay, what does it mean? It will basically returns a match for any two-digit number from 00 and 59. Returns a match for any two digits number between 00 and 59. Okay, let's remove this one. First text till text, then create one text for that. Eight times, same before 8 times before 11:45 a.m. Okay, and then x equal to re dot find all between 0 to 5 and 0 to 9. Okay, and passing the text. Print x, if x, then print yes, there is at least one match. Okay, else print no match. Okay, let's run and see what will happen here. It will print between 0 to 5. Okay, it will not print 11, right? And will print second one 0 to 9, that is 45, right? It will print 00 to 59, right? Let's run and see 11 and 45, right? This is clear. If I am going to add 16, right? Right now it's coming in 16 and 45. This is clear now. Now if you are going to change, instead of 6, if you are going to change 9, right? Then what will happen? It will be 19 to 45 also, right? Let's go with this one. Instead of 15, we are going to say 4 to 5. Then what it will happen? It will print first one 4 to 5. Okay. Then it will print only 45. Right? It will print only 45 because this is now range between 45, 4 or 5. Right? 40 to 59. Okay, because it will going to first one 4 to till 9 and second one is going to 5 to till 9. Okay, that's why it's only going to print 45, right? Now if you are going to change also 4 to just like a 6, then what will happen? It will what the range 40 to 56, right? Now if you are going to add 57, then it will not print anything. Okay, let's run and see. Right, it will not print anything. It will say no match. Okay, this is clear now. Now we'll go with 8 month, right? A to Z and caps A to Z. This is also very important. A to Z and caps A to cap Z. Okay, what it will do? It will basically return a match for any character alphabetically between A and Z and lowercase or uppercase. Returns a match for any characters alphabetically between A and Z, lowercase or uppercase. Okay, let's remove this one and create one text for that. Text the rain. Okay, go with the same example. 8 times before 11 to 45 am. X equal to re find all A2 Z small and A2 Z caps, right? And pass the text. Print X. If X, then yes, there is at least one match. Okay, is print no match. Okay, and what will be the output? What is trying to do? A2 till Z, what it will come, and capital S to capital A to capital Z, right? Then it will come times, before, and AM. Okay, it will come everything other than 8, the digits and the space also. Okay, let's run and see it. Right, times, right, before, and AM, right? It will print everything, other than digits and space. Okay, what if you want to print digits also, then what you have to do? 0 to 9 you just add it, then it will print other than space digit also. Okay, let's run and see. Right, it will print 8 also, it will print 1145 AM, right? This is clear now. For today, that's it. Welcome. Thank you so much for watching my video. I am going to post more and more video on daily basis. So if you want to watch my video in future, just subscribe in below bell icon with all. He will notify you when my new video will come. And please don't forget to like and share. We will meet once again in new video.